So while Asus is keeping the cards hidden about its gaming smartphones, the ROG Phone 11 series, but one of its top competitors, RedMagic, is all set to launch its RedMagic 11 Pro series with what we can say beastly specs. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, going by the official teasers, the RedMagic 11 Pro series is set to launch on October 17, and most probably there will be two models, the RedMagic 11 Pro and 11 Pro Plus. Both handsets will come with almost the same RAM and storage configurations, but the 11 Pro Plus will get a whopping 24GB of RAM variant. Now, luckily, we have already received some of the details regarding the lineup. The RedMagic 11 series will use the top-notch Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. However, what makes it a performance beast is the cooling system, because we know an efficient cooling system allows the processor to offer optimal performance. So, the RedMagic has confirmed the lineup will feature a water cooling system, which will work alongside the active cooling fan. Now, though the water cooling technology sounds incredible and it is known to manage high heat loads, but we have yet to receive the exact details. So, will be interesting to see. Another crucial upgrade that despite having the active cooling fan, the brand's official confirmed the RedMagic 11 Pro series will feature an IP68 rating. The RedMagic 11 series will feature its signature flat display having a selfie camera below the screen. In terms of other specs, it will have a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, a much better than the optical fingerprint scanner, and a huge 8000 mAh of battery, a significant jump from 750 mAh, which is excellent for a gaming phone. Anyway, we are likely to get more details soon, likely official teasers revealing the handset design. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.